Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this iconic silver 2021 Ford F-150. This F-150 is very well maintained, low kilometers, and 0 accidents reported. It also comes with an XLT trim package and an XLT Sport package. It also has slow lowering tailgate with a tailgate step up. This F-150 comes with auto headlights, full leather steering wheel, a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, power driver's seat, heated seats. It also has a power panoramic sunroof, navigation, Bluetooth, remote start, reverse camera, adaptive cruise control, which has pre-collision assist, lane departure warning, blind spot assist. It also has a huge display screen with a leather shift knob, a drive mode control to change it from sport mode to eco mode, 4-wheel drive, and if you want to push a button to lower your shift knob, you can. This F-150 comes with a full black cloth interior with charging ports in the back seats, and also the back seats can be folded up for lots of storage. If you want to book a test drive, give us a call at Maclin Ford. Thank you very much for watching my video and have a good day.